Knotting Pearls with Professional Knotting Thread by Art N Pearls. Professional knotting thread consists of 3 items: the knotting thread, the needle thread, and a Payuk needle. Cut about 6 inch of the needle thread and take the 2 threads together and make an overhand knot. Take as length for the knotting thread 4 times the length of the pearls. Attach the needle thread to the double knotting thread and pull the pearls onto the knotting thread with the needle and needle thread. When all the pearls are on the knotting thread, you can fasten the clasp and the French wire on the knotting thread and start knotting. Not sure exactly how to fasten the clasp, to use French wire and to make the knots? Surf to www.mastermind.com, click on Find a Course, and fill in Knotting Pearls. This course contains everything you need to know to become a professional in pearl knotting. This authentic way of pearl knotting is most efficient method to knot a pearl necklace. The course is practical and enjoyable to follow. You can do it at your own pace and no stress because you can continue to use the course for an unlimited time. If you are interested in professional knotting thread, please visit www.artandpearls.com.